everyone, it's Tippi here.
And it's me, Maya, and you're watching the I'm a Girly's official YouTube channel.
Welcome back to the channel. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yes, Merry Christmas, guys. The festive season has officially started. I'm so excited for Christmas this year. We've already got our tree and decorations up. It's so cozy.
Me too, Maya. Putting up the Christmas tree is so fun.
There's nothing better than getting in the mood for Christmas, which leads us into today's video.
Today we're going to be making Christmas headbands and showing you guys how easy they are to make. This will get them in the Christmas spirit.
That's right, Tippi. We wanted to create some Christmas headbands that I'm a Girly can use for future clothing collections. And you can design your own for I'm a Girly too. All you need to do is head to the I'm a Girly website where you can find out how you can be part of the design team.
Right, Maya, let's get into the video. Before we do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button,
click the notification bell and smash a huge thumbs up.
To create the first Christmas headband, we will need a plain golden headband, some tinsel with little stars in it,
which we cut to this length,
a golden pipe cleaner to match the tinsel, and lastly, glue and scissors.
We have adults in the room to ensure that we are very safe with these. Make sure you do the same. Now we've got everything we need, the first step is to wrap the golden pipe cleaners around the headband. You want to make sure you're covering the headband as close as you can so then there's no gap.
You're going to need a lot of pipe cleaners to cover the whole headband. We need the tinsel next. This is how long it should be. Take each strip and do a knot. Maya, can you do this for me?
Yes, of course, Tippi.
And then create another knot.
There we go.
You want to create a beautiful tinsel pom-pom. Now for the fun part, gluing the pom-poms on the headband.
We've waited for the glue to dry and now it's ready. What do you think, Tips?
It looks great.
I think so too. Let's put it on Lucy.
Wow, she looks amazing.
She's really ready for Christmas now. For the second Christmas headband, you will need a plain silver headband, some pipe cleaners,
we cut it to this length,
some snowflakes, and some glue and scissors. Make sure you are safe with these. We have adults in the room to help us.
We've already trimmed the pipe cleaners. This is the length you will need.
The next step is to take the two snowflakes and attach them to the short pipe cleaners. Now our snowflakes are dry, we can attach them to the headband.
To attach the snowflake, wrap the pipe cleaner around the headband.
You want to make sure that the pipe cleaners are evenly spread around the headband.
Ta-da! What do you think of it, Maya?
It looks so cool and it even matches our background.
Let's put it on Lola's head.
Wow, it looks so cute and the sparkles match her top.
For today, guys. I hope you enjoyed trying something new
and getting in the Christmas spirit. We definitely feel festive and only 1 week till Christmas. Yay! See you next week, guys. And don't you forget, you can design your own I'm a Girly accessories. Go to the I'm A Girly website to find out how you can get involved.
But before you go, make sure to hit the subscribe button,
Click the notification bell and smash a huge thumbs up. Bye!